Welcome to our winter update, everyone. I'm TJ McConville, Chief Investment Officer at Becker Capital Management. We've got a few things we want to share with you today. First, we'll talk the markets. Then, I'll turn it over to two of my colleagues who really exemplify what Becker Capital is all about, sharing expertise that supports clients throughout their entire financial journey. And then stay tuned for a sneak peek of this year's Perspectives event, one of the most anticipated nights of the year for us. Now, on to the markets. It's always easiest to focus on what's right behind you in a rearview mirror. But let's take a look at 2024 as a whole. I'll sum it up with one word: impressive. Markets entered 2024 with the same momentum as they exited 2023. Despite the uncertainty and frankly concerns about the economy, it went better than we expected. Stocks and risk assets were up anywhere from 10% to almost 30% on a one-year basis, with the first and third quarters driving most of the rise. We did see some of the anticipated uncertainty play out in one place: a more volatile bond market that was reacting to the continuing balancing act between inflation and economic growth. Later in the year, of course, we had the election. Markets reacted well initially as they embraced the likelihood of less regulation and potentially lower taxes. Eventually, though, the markets gave back some of those early gains, given the unknowns about fiscal and other government policies. As we navigate forward, remember that actions and not words are the signs to watch. Markets move on fundamentals, and for now those look okay. There are lots of moving parts, however, and conditions can change quickly. And that's where Becker Capital comes in, as your co-pilot and trusted advisor. We may not know what's around the next bend, but we're here to help you through every turn. As most of you know, we help clients manage their investment portfolios. But we do so much more than that. To support you most effectively, we continually add depth to our team. Tom Doyle and Melissa May are two of my colleagues who address other parts of your financial life cycle. Tom is our Director of Nonprofit Engagement. His experience leading nonprofits supports our foundation and endowment clients in their pursuit of excellence. He also provides value to our community-minded and philanthropic clients. Melissa May is a wealth strategist and former private practice attorney who helps our clients navigate some of the trickiest aspects of estate planning. Together, they're here to help you maneuver through the off-ramps common throughout a financial life cycle. Let's talk more about what they bring to the table.
Thanks, TJ. Every day I'm energized by the amazing nonprofits working on the front lines. From my unique vantage point, I'm always asking two questions. How can a nonprofit or foundation improve its effectiveness? And where can contributions provide maximum impact when invested into our communities? My deep connections with so many great nonprofits provide me with insights and relationships. They're also helpful to family offices and individual clients. Melissa May and I work closely and creatively with clients to match their aspirations to the legacy they want to leave.
Here at Becker Capital, we want to be our clients' first call when they consider their family's entire financial journey, not just their investments. One of my favorite parts of my job is working with families to explore their aspirations, including the legacy they want to leave. In my role as a wealth strategist, I aim to be a sounding board and thought partner. Let's work together to navigate the twists and turns on the road to transferring family wealth to future generations. I can work with you to bridge any gaps, to help you engage successfully with your own attorney to create and update your estate plan. I invite you to consider what legacy you want to leave for your family and community. Tom and I can work together to help translate your philanthropic ideas into potential courses of action. It's all part of the services Becker offers to our clients. While the clock isn't running, we can reflect on what truly matters to you and help you work with your other advisors to put that into action.
With our in-house expertise, you're working with an integrated team of professionals who understand your aspirations and your values, how they align with where you've been and where you're going.
Thanks, Tom and Melissa, for sharing how you fit so perfectly in our connected ecosystem. Our clients appreciate this comprehensive approach that smooths the bumps in the road. And thanks to all of you for trusting us at Becker Capital. We're so fortunate to serve you. On that note, one of our favorite nights of the year is coming up, when our community comes together for our annual Perspectives event. This year our theme is Reviving the City of Roses. The event takes place on March 12th, once again at the Portland Art Museum. Look for your invitation soon. Here's to a healthy and prosperous 2025.